What is that? What is that?
That is a table. That is a table.
What are these? What are these?
These are pencils. These are pencils.
What are those? What are those?
Those are chairs. Those are chairs.
Is this a pen? Is this a pen?
Yes, it is a pen. Yes, it is a pen.
Is that a clock? Is that a clock?
No, that is a mirror. No, that is a mirror.
Are these your keys? Are these your keys?
Yes, they are my keys. Yes, they are my keys.
Are those your books? Are those your books?
No, they belong to my friend. No, they belong to my friend.
What color is this? What color is this?
This is red. This is red.
What is in the box? What is in the box?
There are toys in the box. There are toys in the box.
What is in the bag? What is in the bag?
My lunch is in the bag.
Is that your laptop? Is that your laptop?
No, that laptop belongs to my sister. No, that laptop belongs to my sister.
What is the brand of this car? What is the brand of this car?
It's a Toyota. It's a Toyota.
What shape is this? What shape is this?
This is a circle. This is a circle.
What is this made of? What is this made of?
It's made of wood. It's made of wood.
Is this new or old? Is this new or old?
It's a new item. It's a new item.
Is this a gift? Is this a gift?
Yes, it's a gift for my friend. Yes, it's a gift for my friend.
What is the name of this flower? What is the name of this flower?
It's a rose. It's a rose.
What is that sound? What is that sound?
It's a car horn. It's a car horn.